Hello, business enthusiasts. Are you ready to streamline your operations and embrace seamless credit card payments? In today's video, we'll delve into the world of efficient payment processing and its pivotal role in modern business. Before we begin, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful content. And don't hesitate to leave your thoughts and questions down below in the comment section. 1. Payment processing for high-risk businesses. Today, accepting credit cards isn't just a luxury. It's a prerequisite for most businesses. High-risk payment processing presents its own unique challenges. These enterprises often face elevated fees, stringent terms, and a higher risk of account terminations. Nevertheless, the need to accept credit cards, especially for e-commerce and high-risk businesses like CBD and credit repair, is paramount. 2. E-commerce and its payment gateways. In the thriving e-commerce landscape, efficient credit card processing is more important than ever. As the industry expands, so does the demand for reliable payment solutions. A dependable e-commerce gateway and a dedicated merchant account are the cornerstones of seamless transactions. 3. Navigating credit repair payments. Credit repair, often underestimated, plays a pivotal role in financial wellness. With rising demand, credit repair companies must embrace credit card payments. Integrating a credit repair payment gateway and establishing a dedicated merchant account ensures customers enjoy smooth experiences. However, due to its nature, credit repair payment processing falls within the high-risk category. 4. CBD, a growing market with unique demands. The CBD industry's explosive growth is undeniable. Despite popularity and acceptance, CBD businesses often face challenges due to regulations and banking restrictions. Classified as high-risk merchants, they navigate through stringent state laws and complex regulations. 5. Choosing the right merchant processing solution. Across e-commerce, credit repair, and the CBD sector, robust merchant processing systems are a necessity. Tailored merchant accounts and dedicated payment gateways ensure swift, secure, and seamless transactions. High-risk credit card processing requires specialized attention to build a system robust against potential fraud. As we conclude, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with our latest videos. For payment solutions and more, visit TouchSuite's website. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.